Guys, it's Aaron's BMX here. I have a We the People frame. I have a salt tire, pretty worn down at the moment. I have a red salt rim, all the paint's fucked up off it. I have a salt hub. I have a salt chain, tinted blue, salt sprocket, salt crank arms, salt crank. I've got X-lap pedals, pretty fucked up. Need to buy some new ones. I've got We the People handlebars, salt stem, a good salt headset, as you can see right there. And I got a nice brakeless rim with no salt tire and salt rim. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. So long.